Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore the QQQ ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 23rd of July, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 22nd of July in the year 2024, our system has classified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.33. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, resulting in a loss of 0.35% thus far. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.18% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower part of a strong upward trend in the short term, which typically indicates a promising buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $477.55 is breached, it would signal a slower pace of appreciation and might also serve as an early warning for a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a possible change of approximately 15.93% over that period, with expected returns ranging between 15.19% and 23.83%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it predicts a change of about 35.16% in the following year, with anticipated returns between 23.87% and 42.77%. This implies a projected price range of $595.35 to $686.20 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for QQQ ETF after losing 0.352%. The QQQ ETF price decreased by 0.352% on the last day, Tuesday, the 23rd of July, 2024, falling from $482.32 to $480.62. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.89%, reaching a low of $480.15 and a high of $484.43. The price has been volatile during this period, resulting in a loss of 3.45% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is considered a positive sign as volume typically aligns with the ETF's movement. On that day, trading volume declined by 18 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $10.57 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 4.55% or $22.90 below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Should there be further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $484.56. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $480.56. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 10, 2024, and since then, it has decreased by 4.44%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MAD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. The short-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 51 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 167 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $450.71 and $424.45. There is an inherent risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break below this level could lead the fund to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $450.71. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $424.45 and $421.52. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low for this stock. During the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $4.28 between its high and low, or 0.89%. Over the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.43%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's first review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either modest expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at 481.77. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at 450.71. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $451.30, reflecting a decrease of 6.1%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a reduced risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal has been triggered from a pivot top identified 64 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for the QQ ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 24th of July, we anticipate that the QQQ will open up by $1.11 and begin trading at $481.73. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.